Welcome to Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Sea, room 11653, and this is into a Central Park balcony. And it's even equipped with the WOW band. We have a seating area with a couch, a little desk area, and then it has 3 American plugs, 2 USB ports, and 2 European, which is so nice. You can tell how new this ship is when it has all that technology. It's got 5 storage drawers, including your blow dryer in this one, and then this one has the cooler. And then we have storage in here next to the bed. This is your closet area. It does have a removable bar, so you can, if you have long stuff, you can take this out. The bed is set up as a king size bed currently, but it can be turned into 2 twin size beds. Each side of the bed has a lamp that has an American plug and a USB-C port. We've got a telephone, little baby size nightstands. This side of the closet has shelving. It has the safe and then some larger drawers down below. Across from the bed, which is nice, is we have a very large flat screen TV, and then it does have some hooks already installed for you to hang stuff right here. Let's check out the bathroom. So the bathroom has a really nice capsule shower. It does have the 2-in-1 hair and body wash, but it has a movable wand, it has shelving, and I love having the shave bar. You do have some storage next to the sink area, a good sized countertop, and even more storage below, right across from a really large mirror, which is nice to have. But of course, when you have a balcony room, the best part of the room is the balcony. This balcony looks out to Central Park. And nothing beats Central Park on Oasis class ship. Look at that view. Thank you for coming on our room tour of Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Sea, room 11653.